Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning I am going to show you a beautiful 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner GTX replica. Now this beautiful car is green in color, as you can see, with the black billboard stripe across the top of the roof, a half black vinyl top. This car is powered by a 440 cubic inch big block engine, Tremec 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, vintage air conditioning. This beautiful car has 4-wheel disc brakes with drilled and slotted rotors. What a gorgeous, gorgeous car. It even has, yes, the iconic air grabber hood. The wheels are Vision wheels. It's got some Nitto like street drags on the back. The paint body in this car is absolutely gorgeous. Has a very, very nice shine to it. Super solid car. The car came out of Arkansas. This thing is a ground pounder. Sounds great, runs great. We're going to take you for a drive here in just a little bit. It's got the rear spoiler on it. Let's take a look down the sides of the car. I don't see any bubbles or blisters down here on the bottom side of the fenders or doors. I think you'd have to look pretty hard to find imperfections in this car. The glass is in good shape. It does have a couple small little scratches here on the side window. The chrome stainless trim, bright work on this car is very nice. Chrome mirrors, door handles look great. All that stainless up top looks very nice. Got a couple water spots there they missed when they detailed it. That's what you've seen if you've seen that flash on the camera there. Same way with this side. Just super nice, clean, solid. No bubbles, no blisters. Underside of this car is very nice. I have Bryce here. You probably pictured the underside of it, didn't you?
Yeah, it's super, super clean.
Yeah.
No imperfections that I can see.
Yeah, just a very, very nice car. We'll open the door over here on the passenger side. Bryce, you want to open the hood for me?
Yep.
I got a helper today for a while, so I'm going to take advantage of that. And door jamb's very, very nice. Door panels look nice. If you look really close, you can see, I don't know, this handle must have dug into the door panel at one time. We got a little scrape on that. Dash pad's in very nice shape. Seats are the right seats. They're very comfortable. And there's your door jamb here. Kick panels are in good shape. Carpet looks nice. Pistol grip shifter. Headliner, dome light, sail panels, package tray, rear seat. Whole car is just very, very nice car. And you're going to be able to afford this car. It's not going to be a $80,000 car. We're going to price this car very, very right. Doors open and shut nice. Check out your gaps. Your door gaps are very, very nice. I'm walking around going to try to find imperfections in the paint, something to show you. Man, I tell you, it's got a little chip right here. It's pretty darn nice. MSD ignition, big aluminum radiator, aluminum catch can there for your radiator, vintage air conditioning, the air grabbers all there, all intact. A large set of Doug's long tube headers on it. As I mentioned, power steering, power brakes. Yeah, MSD ignition, MSD distributor. Car sounds amazing. We'll start it up here for you. Same way with this side. Check out the door gaps. You don't find them this clean, this nice that often, especially not one that you can buy for under 60 grand. Got a retro radio in it. Looks like it's got LED dash lights. Got the beep beep horn. Got Roadrunner floor mats. Factory center console is very nice. Gonna hear this bad boy run. He is a bad boy. Got one tail light out. We'll get that fixed. The guys in the shop are working really hard to keep all these cars ready to rock and roll for you customers. All the headlights work, parking lights. Wiring we got to fix there. You turn the lights on, the turn signal's on, and the light goes out. So we'll get that fixed on this car. Probably not a big deal. The hood's shut on it. Got one small little crack in the paint right here. And if you look really close right here, you might see a little bit of the orange peel maybe. The light just hit it kind of just right once. I'm just trying to show you guys everything that we see on these cars because I know you're not here to inspect them yourself. And honestly, probably 75% of the cars that we sell, the customers never come here to see the cars and inspect the car themselves. So they're buying these cars solely on our descriptions, videos, and pictures of these cars. So we want to make sure that you are knowing what you're getting, and we do our best job to describe these cars to you. I know when this car got unloaded out of the trailer, I was stoked because this thing is just gorgeous. I think it's sassy grass green is the color on this car. Inside the trunk, very nice. You got a spare tire there. Missing, there ain't no jack, so I hope you guys know jack. Trunk light works. All the seals, all the rubber on the car all the way around is very, very nice. Nice soft trunk seals, door seals. It's been restored the right way. It's just a gorgeous car. We'll open the door and we'll run this thing outside. We'll take it for a little spin. Get her out here, and I got some help today, so we're going to be able to drive through town here a minute, and then we'll probably just go out west of town here. I don't like the road's not near as good, but oh boy, this thing is a bad boy. Holy shnikes. This thing rips. All the gauges seem to work. The tack is not working. fifth gear really helps with these cars. 5-speed manual transmission. It's pretty cool addition to this great muscle car. I keep driving this car, Bryce. I might just want to keep it for myself.
I know, I'm sitting in it. It's nice. Surprised me, that's for sure.
Oh, I killed it. See, these videos aren't staged or rehearsed, so you guys Alright, that's 100. We better slow down. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, KINIONauto.com. There's your air grabber. It's up now. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in purchasing this beautiful 1971 Roadrunner GTX replica, give us a call. Again, 563-452-2450. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're trying to get as many followers as we can on there. We can sell as many cars as we can. Really appreciate everyone. Have a great morning, great afternoon, and we'll be back at you with another great collector car here in just a little bit.